Hello everyone. Advocate Mkhwebane became the first public protector to be removed from her post. The National Assembly voted on Monday with 318 votes for her removal and 43 against her removal, achieving the required two-thirds majority. This followed Adwo's Section 194 impeachment process, which culminated last month in several findings against her. The Section 194 committee found her guilty of misconduct and incompetence and recommended her removal. The Constitution contains 3 grounds for the removal of the head of Chapter 9 institution: misconduct, incompetence, and incapacity. In March 2021, the National Assembly adopted a motion with 4 charges that Mkhwebane displayed misconduct and incompetence, with much of the charges based on 4 of her most politically charged investigations: the SARB, CIEX matter, the Friday Dairy Farm scam, the South African Revenue Service Investigating Unit, also called ROG Unit, and the CR17 and Bosasa matter. The charges drew on Mkhwebane's conduct during the investigations, as well as the subsequent litigation, which resulted in scathing findings against her. The committee found her guilty of misconduct on all 4 charges, with the ANC, DA, IFP, FF+, and ACDP supporting her removal. The EFF, UDM, ATM, and Al-Jama were opposed to it. The Section 194 process was characterized by Mkhwebane's war of attrition with the committee. This meant the process, which was initially scheduled to be completed by September last year with 4.5 million rand, as Mkhwebane's legal cost is still ongoing and her legal costs have ballooned to 30 million rands. This gives rise to Mkhwebane's maneuvers regarding her legal representative. Mkhwebane has indicated that she intends to take the committee's report on judicial review. Mkhwebane's term started in October 2016, replacing Thuli Madonsela after all parties in parliament, except the DA, supported her appointment. Her term would have expired on 14 October, at which time she would have qualified for gratuity of around 10 million rands. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.